Hello students, so welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss this question. We have to prove that matrix A, that is 2 3 1 2, satisfies this equation, correct? So first we have to prove that this is true. LHS, that is A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. I is nothing but identity matrix. Identity matrix 2 cross 2 identity matrix means 1 0 0 1. This is identity matrix, and right side is 0. 0 means 0 matrix. So 0 matrix means all elements are 0, and 2 cross 2 matrix, correct? So first we have to prove this statement. LHS is equal to RHS. RHS is 0 and LHS we have to solve, correct, using this A given matrix, correct? After that, this is the first part that we have to prove this. After that, using this equation, we have to find A inverse. We have to find A inverse using this statement, using this equation, correct? So we'll do one by one. So first part I will do first. First I will prove this, that this statement is true, correct? So A is given as 2 3 1 2, 2 3 1 2, correct? And we have to prove that this, correct? And we have to prove that. So LHS is this. So LHS is A square minus 4A plus I. So before that, first I am finding A square. So what will be the A square? A square will be A into A, correct? A into A. A into A means 2 3 1 2 multiplied with itself, 2 3 1 2, and I hope you know that how to multiply the matrix, correct? So first row then with first column, correct, like this. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, correct? In this way we are multiplying, or we can write directly 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 I will write as 4. So 2 into 2, correct, 4, plus 3 into 1, that is 3, correct? And then first row second column. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3, that is 6. So I am writing 6, plus 3 into 2, 3 into 2, that is 6, correct? Now second row, and then second row first column. So 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 2 into 1, that is 2, then 1 into 3, 3, plus 2 into 2, that is 4. So after calculating I will write 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 6 12, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 4 7. So this is our A square. So A square we got 7 12 4 7. Now this is 4A. So 4A also I can calculate easily, correct? So 4A means 4 into matrix A, and matrix A is nothing but 2 3 1 2. So 2 3 1 2. So just I will multiply 4 to each element. So 4 2 into 2 8, and then 4 into 3 12. Similarly 4 into 1 4, and 4 into 2 8, correct? So this is our 4A. Now I, correct? So now I am writing LHS, and I will check that it is equal to 0 matrix or not, correct? So LHS is A square minus 4A plus I, correct? This is our LHS, correct? This is our LHS. So I will check. Now everything I know. A square matrix I know. So A square is nothing but 7 12 4 7. 7 12 4 7, correct, minus 4A. So 4A means this matrix, 8 12 4 8, 8 12 4 8, correct? And I means identity matrix, 1 0 0 1, correct? So if I will solve this, then corresponding element minus means corresponding element, correct? This is corresponding to this, and this three are corresponding element. So I will write 7 minus 8 plus 1. 7 minus 8 plus 1. Similarly, this 12 corresponding element is I will use different colors so that you can identify 12, 12 and 0. These three are corresponding element. So I will write as 12, correct, 12 minus 12 plus 0, correct. Similarly, this and these are corresponding element. So 4 minus 4 plus 0, correct. Similarly, this and these three are corresponding element. 7 minus 8 plus 1. So if you will calculate, then what you will get? 7 minus 8 plus 1. So 7 plus 1, I will do first. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Similarly, 12 minus 12 plus 0. So 12 plus 0, 12. 12 minus 12 will be 0 only. Correct. So this will be also 0. Correct. And this 4 minus 4, 0 plus 0. 0 only. Here also 7 minus 8 plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 8 will be 0. So I got 0. So LHS is nothing but 0, 0, 0. It means LHS is equal to 0, 0 is nothing but 0 matrix. Correct, is equal to RHS. So proved. So first part we proved, correct, that this statement, this equation we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Correct, LHS is equal to RHS. Now second part, we have to find A inverse. We have to find A inverse using this equation. So using this equation means, now I am going to do the second part. That equation is A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Using this equation, we have to find A inverse. So what I will do? To find A inverse, I will multiply both sides with A inverse. So multiply both sides with A inverse. Correct. If I will multiply both sides with A inverse, then left side will be A square A inverse. Each term will multiply to A inverse. 4 A into A inverse plus I into, I means identity matrix as A inverse, and right side 0. Right side will be only 0 because 0 will be multiplied with anything will be 0 only. Correct. So left side if I will see, then A square A inverse. So 1 A square means A into A. So A into A inverse I am writing like this. Correct. Minus 4 A into A inverse and plus I into A inverse will be A inverse only, because I is nothing but 1, like 1 into 2 is 2 only. Correct. 1 into 5 will be 5 only. Correct. Similarly, in matrix I into some matrix, this will act as a 1 identity matrix, that is called identity matrix. It will be A only. Correct. So I into A inverse will be A inverse only. It will not impact that matrix. Matrix will be as it is. I is nothing but 1, like in numeric I say 1. So 1 into minus 2 will be minus 2 only. Correct. So similarly, identity matrix in matrix. Correct. Now A into A inverse. So if you know this property, then A into A inverse will be nothing but identity matrix. A into A inverse, like 2 into 2 inverse. So 2 into 2 inverse means 1 upon 2. So this will be 1. So 1, and I told in matrix 1 means identity matrix I. Correct. So similarly, this property I will use, A into A inverse will be nothing but I. This numerical I just explained for you to understand. Correct. So this is similar. Correct. So we'll use this property, A into A inverse will be I. So A into A inverse will be I means this will be I. So A into I. Correct. And minus 4 into I plus this A inverse, correct, equal to 0. Correct. And A into I will be nothing but A only, because just now I told here. Correct. I into A inverse. So I means nothing but 1. Correct. So A into I can write as A. Correct. So this will be reduced as A minus 4I plus A inverse. And now we have to find this value A inverse. So A inverse I am keeping left side and rest everything I am putting right side. So I can write as, when right side will go, then negative A will become minus A. So minus A plus this will become minus, will become plus, so plus 4i, correct? So minus A plus 4i. Now just put the value minus, and A means this matrix, correct? A means this matrix 2 3 1 2, correct? So 2 3 1 2, 2 3 1 2, correct? Plus 4, and I means nothing but 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. Now if minus I will do, then minus will be go to every element, like 2 will become minus 2, 3 will become minus 3, 1 will become minus 1, and 2 will become minus 2, and plus 4. If I will multiply, then 4 0 0 4, correct? And now just calculate corresponding element will get added, minus 2 plus 4. Corresponding element means these two are corresponding element, correct? And similarly minus 3 and 0 are corresponding elements, so I will write minus 3 plus 0. Similarly minus 1 plus 0 and minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4. Just calculate this, that will be your answer. So minus 2 plus 4 will be 2, minus 3 plus 0 will be minus 3, minus 1 plus 0 will be minus 1, minus 2 plus 4 will be 2, and this is your A inverse, correct? So this is the second part answer. So first part we proved and second part we did, correct? So I hope you understood the solution. Okay.